Spending $100 on a mouse might seem steep, but since its launch in September 2019, the Logitech MX Master 3 has dominated our rankings with its exceptional comfort and wireless efficiency. Its successor, the MX Master 3S, doesn't drastically change the formula but improves on it with higher sensitivity and quieter clicks. After using the MX Master 3S for a while, I found it to be an excellent experience overall. In this review, I'll explore what makes it so comfortable, the standout features, and a few considerations before you decide if it's the right fit for you. Let's dive in. I've been using the Logitech MX Master 3S for years now, and I can still say it's one of the best-built mice I've ever owned. It's got this satisfying weight to it, not too heavy, not too light, and a premium feel that's held up beautifully over time. The ergonomics are spot on, with a moderate angle that cradles my wrist just right, especially during those marathon video editing sessions. I can't tell you how much that saved me from the wrist strain I used to get with flatter mice. The secondary thumb scroll wheel? Absolute perfection. It's smooth, perfectly weighted, and still feels as good as the day I unboxed it. The soft, matte rubber coating is another win. It's grippy, yet smooth, giving me a secure hold even after hours of use. This mouse was clearly designed for people like me who crave precision and love tweaking things to fit our workflow. While its sculpted design is exclusively for right-handed users, the MX Master 3S isn't classified as an ergonomic mouse like Logitech's MX Vertical. The mouse has a moderate angle that helps with wrist support, which is great for reducing strain during long sessions. It comes with a secondary thumb scroll wheel that feels perfectly weighted and offers a smooth scrolling experience. And the body is covered in a soft matte rubber that feels smooth and grippy, providing a secure hold. This mouse is designed for those who want precise control and a high level of customization. With 6 customizable buttons, this mouse has become my editing sidekick. I've mapped every single one of them over the years, but the thumb button is my MVP. It's so naturally placed that I don't even think about reaching for it. It's just there. In Premiere Pro, I've set it to toggle between the selection tool and the razor tool, or to jump between clips on my timeline. It's shaved seconds off every edit, which adds up fast when you're cutting a 20-minute video. The gesture button is another game changer. I've got it set to trigger shortcuts like play, pause, or undo, redo, so I barely touch my keyboard anymore. It's made my editing flow so much smoother, almost like the mouse is reading my mind. The scroll wheel deserves its own shout-out. I flip between ratchet mode for precise frame-by-frame edits and free spin mode when I'm skimming through raw footage or scrolling long web pages. After years of use, it's still buttery smooth and responsive. Honestly, trying to use a regular mouse after this feels like stepping back in time. I can't overstate how comfortable this mouse is. It's like it was molded for my hand. Every curve and contour just fits. I've logged countless hours with it, from late-night video edits to casual gaming sessions, and it never feels like a strain. The thumb scroll wheel is a bonus I didn't know I needed until I had it. I've got it set to zoom in and out in DaVinci Resolve, letting me tweak tiny details without missing a beat. I've even used the thumb buttons for copy-paste in Chrome when I'm researching. It's small stuff, but it's saved me so much time over the years. For someone like me who's glued to a desk for hours, this mouse is a lifesaver. The Logitech Options software has been a dream for tailoring this mouse to my life. I've got custom profiles for everything: video editing in Premiere, color grading in Lightroom, and even browsing late at night. Switching the cursor speed or button functions takes seconds, and I love that I can set app-specific layouts. For example, in Premiere, my thumb button jumps clips, but in Chrome, it's a quick tab switcher. The flow feature is another gem. I've got a desktop and a laptop, and being able to copy-paste between them or glide the cursor across screens feels like magic. Years in, and I'm still finding new ways to tweak it to match how I work. The battery life on this thing is unreal. I've gone over a month of daily editing, think 8 to 10 hour days, without needing a charge. Logitech says it lasts up to 70 days, and I believe it. My old mice had me scrambling for a charger every other week, but with the MX Master 3S, I barely think about it. When it finally does need juice, a quick USB-C plug-in gets it back to full in no time. I've had it die on me mid-edit maybe once in all these years, and even then, it was my fault for ignoring the low battery warning. I picked up my MX Master 3S a few years back for around $99, and at the time, it felt like a splurge. But after all this time, I can say it was worth every penny. These days, it's crept up to $110 to $120, depending on where you shop. But with the comfort, battery life, and features I've come to rely on, it still feels like a steal. It's been my trusty companion through hundreds of edits, and it's still going strong. No creaks, no worn-out buttons, just solid performance. My only gripe? Logitech could offer a left-handed version. I've got a southpaw friend who'd love this mouse but can't use it comfortably. So after years of using the Logitech MX Master 3S, I'm still in love with it. The design and build quality scream premium, and it's held up through everything I've thrown at it. Late-night renders, frantic deadlines, you name it. For anyone juggling complex workflows like video editing, this mouse is a productivity powerhouse. It's not just a tool, it's part of how I work. If you're on the fence about the price, trust me, it's an investment that pays off every single day. So that was all about the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse review. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.